Hey guys, Donnie Uzlak here, coming with you, let's try that again. Hey guys, Donnie Uzlak here. If you see Luna back there, that's Luna. This is gonna be my first video doing a how-to. I'm gonna show you guys how to do a pumpkin just like that. Hey guys, so the first step is gonna be get a stump. I always take the bark off first, don't dirty up the chain. You're gonna start with the stem. I always do 4 cuts to make a square in the center of the log. Depending on how big you want the stem, I normally do just about the chain or the bar depth. Some people go smaller, some people go bigger. It just depends on what you like. So sit back and enjoy. Okay, as you can see, I got the stem roughed out. Don't worry about the if you went in a little too deep. Next step is to round this top edge off, make it look a little bit more like a pumpkin. All right, now it's starting to look a little bit more like a pumpkin. Next step is gonna be to put the lines in. You can put as many as you want. You can put them small, big. If you're gonna try a face on it, I would leave like a bigger section in the front. To put the face on, it's just a lot easier with that blank canvas on the front. But today I'm just gonna make a pumpkin. Easy, and show you guys what to do. I normally go in on the lines just the chain depth, so just as deep as the chain, run it down along the side of the pumpkin from the stem down, as far as you want. You can do a tall pumpkin, a short pumpkin, doesn't really matter. It's just personal preference. All right, so next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna take your chain along the lines you just did and cut a groove down both sides to make the divot for the pumpkin. Divot, is that what it's called? No. The grooves, the indentions. I don't know, you know, the lines right here. Yeah, only, you know, the line, huh. Okay guys, give you a closer look. Starting to look a little bit more like a pumpkin. I kind of like the squared off look of the pumpkin. It makes it more defined. a little bit more rustic feel to it, not necessarily realistic. But like I said before, everything you do is going to be personalized to how you like it. Let me know in the comment box what you think. Do you like the squared off rustic look, or do you like the more realistic pumpkins? Like I said, personally I like the rustic look. Okay, I'm going to do a little bit more work with the chainsaw. Cut the bottom off and get to finishing this thing. Hey guys, there you go. All right guys, for the sanding I used just an angle grinder. You can get any angle grinder really, and then just a sanding disc with sandpaper disc connected to it. I believe it's 50 or 80 grit, I'm not really sure. Okay guys, all finished sanding. Let's go ahead and paint it. Hey guys, one last thing before you go. I don't know if you guys seen that other pumpkin in the background. Give you guys a little sneak peek. Jack-o'-lantern. I don't know if you can see it. The top comes off. It's hollowed out. Hollowed out so you could stick a candle in it. Show you that one, and then I got one more pumpkin. One second. Here's another pumpkin I wanted to show you guys I did a few weeks ago. You can see it there. Okay guys, that's gonna be it for today. Let me know down below what you thought. Remember, hit that like button and subscribe. We'll see you next time.